Did you know your Android phone could be wasting battery life right now because of a setting you probably never use? First of all, open Settings and search for printing. On many Android phones, the default print service is enabled by default, meaning your device may constantly search for nearby printers in the background. If you never print from your phone, turning it off can reduce unnecessary battery drain. Number 2. Disable nearby device scanning. Go to Settings. Here, select Google. Tap on All Services. Click Devices. Here, turn off Scan for nearby devices. Many Android phones continuously search for nearby devices, even when you're not actively using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Turning this off can reduce background activity and improve battery efficiency. This prevents duplicate scanning services from running in the background. Number 3. Turn off digital well-being tracking. In Settings, search Digital Wellbeing. Tap the menu in the top right corner and enter the settings. If you don't rely on detailed usage reports, disable Usage Data Access. This feature constantly tracks app activity and screen time. While useful for reports, most users don't need it running all day. Number 4. Reduce unnecessary notifications. Notifications wake your phone, trigger background processes, and consume battery. Go to Settings, then open Notifications. Here select App Notifications. Disable notifications from apps that aren't important. Fewer notifications mean less background activity and better battery life. Number 5. Enable battery protection. One of the best battery health features on Samsung devices is battery protection. Open the Battery app in Settings. At minimum, enable the basic option. It helps reduce battery wear by intelligently managing charging cycles instead of keeping your phone at 100% for extended periods. Number 6. Enable auto optimization. Go to Settings, open Device Care, and open Auto Optimization. Enable Restart when needed. This allows your phone to automatically restart when necessary, helping maintain performance, stability, and battery efficiency. Number 7. Optimize Always On Display. Open Settings and search Always On Display. Switch it from Always Show to Tap to Show. You'll still have quick access to notifications and the time, while reducing unnecessary battery consumption throughout the day. That's it. Before you go, comment which battery tip surprised you the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more Android tricks like this.